Is your Windows PC shutting down while installing or uninstalling a program? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your Windows 11 or 10 computer shuts down while installing or uninstalling a program, watch this video. Let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Check if your system overheats. If your computer overheats during program installation or uninstallation, Windows may shut down to prevent damage. To address this, open Task Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Processes tab and look for resource-heavy background processes. Right-click on each such process and choose End Task. Also, ensure the fan is free of dust and debris and consider reapplying thermal paste to keep the CPU cooler. Regular maintenance can help prevent overheating issues. Method 2. Use the System Restore Point. Search for System Restore Point from the Start menu and select the top search result. Click on System Restore, then click on Next, select a Restore Point, and then click on Next. Finally, apply the Restore Point. Once done, you need to check if the issue is resolved. Method 3. Check for virus and malware. Next, you can run Windows Defender offline scan following this guide. Once it has completely scanned your system, it will ask you to remove the malicious program or do it voluntarily. Then you can check if the issue is resolved. Method 4. Scan and repair system files. If your system files are corrupted, it's important to scan and repair them. So run DISM offline to repair Windows system image following this guide. You can use System File Checker sfc/scan now following this guide and repair the computer using Windows Update following this guide. Method 5. Check Event Viewer. Next, you can check the Event Viewer following this guide. If you are able to find what the issue is, you can resolve it and get rid of the issue. Method 6. Carry out the installation in clean boot or safe mode. Next, you can perform a clean boot to determine if a conflicting application or service is the issue. You could also perform the installation or uninstallation in clean boot state and see if that works. Method 7. Check PSU. Next, you can use another spare PSU and attach it to your computer and see if that helps. If it works, you need to replace your PSU, which would resolve the issue. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.